Hi, thanks for coming into Columbine Ford in Rifle, Colorado today. We're going to walk around this very beautiful, brand new 2010 F-150. It's an FX4 version. Really nice truck. Has some great equipment and nice features. There is a copy of the window sticker on our website. If you're not there already, please go to ColumbineFord.com and you'll be able to see a window sticker with a list of all of the equipment, the optional and the standard equipment. And let's show you the nice bed liner. It's a Ford accessory. Great truck. We do have a towing package on this. And at Columbine Ford, we have been here for 20 years selling new and pre-owned vehicles. We have one of the best service departments in the area. We have a 92% customer satisfaction rating in our service department, which is pretty much unheard of. We have also received Ford's President's Award 10 times in the last 20 years, and dealerships receive that for customer satisfaction. So we are here for you before the sale, during the sale, after the sale. You'll be very happy with Columbine Ford and what we can give you in customer service. We know how important that is these days. Here's the dashboard on this great truck. This truck also has Sync, that's Ford's hands-free system. And another great feature that this truck has is this keyless entry pad, so you won't lock yourself out of your truck anymore. Here's a picture of the interior of the back seat, very roomy. The F-150 was Motor Trend's Truck of the Year. So there you have it, Columbine Ford in Rifle, Colorado. We sure hope you'll stop by and give us a chance to show you our inventory and help you find a vehicle that'll be perfect for you. Our number here is 970-625-1680. Please give us a call or stop in. Thanks.